A great morning to everyone. So, today we are going to do the chapter Deep Water by William O. Douglas. This chapter is a non fictional chapter or a story which Douglas narrated himself because it's an incident of Douglas' childhood and how he became phobic to water and how he overcame his fear of water. So this is the main thing, that how he overcame his fear of water, which is given in this story. How step by step, how piece by piece he learned to overcome his fear of water. So that is the thing which we will learn in this chapter. So I made some small points throughout the chapter because reading the whole NCERT text was like a task next to impossible, and it was very hard to upload. So just I'm giving you the gist of the chapter, it means main points. Okay, so just listen carefully and understand. So in this story, Douglas talks about his fear of water and how he finally overcome his fear of water. So that is the one thing. So what the things which he needed, these are like power, courage, hard work and firm determination. Remember these words, firm determination. So once he took courage, he find an instructor. Okay, and all he do, he just forget about his fear. So he said that, तो mainly इसका theme क्या है, where there is a will there is a way. So this is the theme of the chapter. Okay, characters and places which were mentioned in the chapter are like Douglas, the narrator of the story and writer as well. Okay, YMCA pool and YMCA river which are mentioned in this story. Yakima is a US city located 60 miles southeast. Okay, ये यहाँ पे mention है. I said wrong. YMCA is a pool, not river. Yakima is the river. Okay, on the name of city located in US. Okay, let's see the main points. So the story Deep Water tells us how the writer overcame his fear of water and learned swimming with his sheer determination and power. He had developed a terror of water since his childhood. When he was 3 or 4 years old, the writer had gone to California and he had a misadventure. क्या एडवेंचर हुआ था, मिस एडवेंचर? हिज फादर वॉज इन बिटवीन द वाटर, वो वाटर में अंदर थे, इनसाइड द रिवर. इट वॉज शैलो, नॉट सो डीप, बट व्हेन ही ट्राई टू रीच टू हिज फादर, व्हाट हैपेंड, ही जस्ट स्लिप्ड ओवर अ स्टोन ड्यू टू दैट मॉज और अलगे, कुछ काई जैसा था वहाँ पे. ही स्लेप्ट and at that time he was almost drowned in the water and that fear of water has grasped him. तभी ऐसा हुआ कि water से just he was avoided of water, उसे avoid करने लगा water को क्योंकि उसका first misadventure था. What happened second time when he tried to learn swimming because he was not able to enjoy certain water activities. So he went to YMCA pool to learn swimming. Once he was waiting for other boys for the swimming, what happened, a masculine boy came and he just pushed him into the water. So this was the second mishappening. So when he was pushed inside the water, because he didn't know how to, he felt so many, you can say that kind of harassment things, like he was almost drowned, his lungs were choking, his eyes and his whole body become pale and he was not able to come out of the water, he was not able to breathe. So these were the things and difficulties which he went through. तो उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो गया उस टाइम पे. And the young masculine boy, he don't know, was not aware of the fact that he is not able to swim. He was just pranking with him, was just मजाक कर रहा था. Okay, so at that time Douglas was terribly frightened. He went down 9 feet into the water. The pool was 9 feet but it seems 90 feet to him. But उसे कैसा लगा जैसे कि वो 90 feet है total. He came up but very slowly. But when he came at last, he was totally unconscious. जब वो पानी से बाहर आया उसे नहीं याद. It was all black. Okay, उसे कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था. And he was totally unconscious. जब उसे होश आता है तो वो क्या देखता है? He was just beside the swimming pool and people are trying to pull his water out of his body. Okay, he was almost paralyzed at that time. He was feeling the same. So these were the two mishappenings. Okay, so next what happened when he came in contact with the like fresh water resources like fountain. Okay, so people were doing certain things like fishing, canoeing, swimming, and he wanted to enjoy the same. So then he think that there is a dire need to learn swimming because he also wanted to enjoy all those things. So, okay, so when he tried, so at that time, like in हिज प्लेजर, इट स्पॉइल्ड हिज प्लेजर इन मेन लेक्स, क्योंकि उसे स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी, उसके कुछ बहुत सारे प्लेजर्स थे, ये जो एक्टिविटीज़ जो मैंने आपको बताई, स्विमिंग, कैनोइंग, फिशिंग, वो सब इंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहा था. So what he took help of a swimming instructor to learn swimming. The instructor taught him piece by piece, means step by step he was taught swimming. He put his face under water and exhaled water. उसको पहले floating करना, flapping करना सिखाया गया पानी पे. Then he was taught to how to breathe inside the water. At last he combined all these action and activities and the instructor made him swim. He learned swimming but the terror continued. Okay. He tried in many sources of water so that he can vanish his terror fully. So still अभी भी जब वो कहीं पे तैरता था तो उसका वो फियर फिर से वापस आने लगता था. तो वो फियर से कहता है व्हाट कैन यू डू टू मी. तो कहता है लास्ट में एक स्टेटमेंट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट. व्हाट वी हैव टू फियर इज़ दैट ऑफ फियर ओनली. हमें डर से ही डरना चाहिए. ओके, यानी कि हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए. सो दीज आर द थिंग. आई विल सेंड यू द मेन पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो. लाइक I will do it again. मैं दोबारा से आपको बोलती हूँ. फर्स्ट इज विलियम और डगलस had a desire to learn swimming since childhood. At the age of 3 or 4, he was knocked down and buried by a wave at a beach in California. Third, he developed a greater aversion to water. Fourth, at the age of 10 or 11, he decided to learn to swim with water wings at the YMCA pool since it was safe at the shallow end. Douglas swallowed water and went straight down to the bottom of the pool. Next, while going down, he planned to make a big jump upwards but came up slowly, tried to shout but could not. Next point, as he went down the pool second time, he tried to jump upwards but it was a waste of energy. His all efforts were in vain. Terror held him deeper and deeper. During the third trial, he sucked water instead of air. जब वो तीसरी बार ट्राई करता है स्विमिंग पूल के बॉटम से जंप करके ऊपर आने की, तभी वो ऊपर नहीं आ पाता और वो एयर की जगह क्या करता है, वाटर सक कर लेता है. लाइट वॉज गोइंग आउट एंड देयर वॉज नो मोर पैनिक. नाउ ही थॉट दैट हिज एंड इज नियर. उसकी आंखों से लाइट जो थी वो जाने लगी और उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसका एंड नियर. तो उसने अपने एफर्ट्स भी छोड़ दिए. सो ही सीज्ड ऑल एफर्ट्स एंड ही बिकेम अनकॉन्शियस. ही क्रॉस टू ऑब्लिवियन. व्हेन रिवाइव्ड ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ वोमिटिंग बिसाइड द पूल. जब उसे होश आता है, रिवाइव्ड, तो अपने को कहाँ पाता है, पूल के साइड में पाता है. He was in a grip of fear of water and it deprived him of the joys of canoeing, boating, swimming and fishing. Hired an instructor to learn swimming. So this is the turning point. He hired an instructor for swimming. The instructor taught him swimming piece by piece. The instructor taught him swimming piece by piece, means step by step. He went to different lakes to swim and found tiny vestige of fear still gripped him. वो डिफरेंट लेक्स में जाता है अपनी प्रैक्टिस को और अच्छा करने के लिए, लेकिन जब भी वो जाता है उसे लगता है टाइनी वेस्टिजेस ऑफ हिज ओल्ड फियर. कुछ तिनके जो है ना उसके पुराने डर के वो वापस आने लगते हैं. बट देन ही चैलेंज्ड हिज फियर एंड स्वैम अगेन. स्विमिंग अप एंड डाउन द वार्म लेक, ही फाइनली ओवरकम हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर. ही रियलाइज दैट देयर इज पीस एंड देयर इज टेरर इन द फियर ऑफ डेथ. सो दिस इज द थिंग.